You can make high-quality faceless YouTube videos in just a few minutes with no camera, no microphone, and no need to even write a script. Right now you can automate every single part of your content creation process to make more videos in less time. Today I'm going to show you how to generate an automatic YouTube video for automation. The first step towards creating a video with AI tools is to acquire a video script. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can produce high-quality content within seconds. Simply head over to the ChatGPT website and request a script on the topic of your choice. For example, suppose you want to make a video about some facts about animal like a cow. In that case, you can request ChatGPT to provide you with a script about some facts about cow that most people don't know. Then it will take few time and will generate a good script. Once you have the script, copy it and proceed to the next step. The next step is to make your script into a good voice. There are so many websites that can provide you with a natural-sounding voiceover. Murf is one such website. First of all, go to the website and create an account. Then press Create Project. After this, you'll be directed to the main page where you can enter your text. Then paste your script and click on the Men's Face button. Then select the language you want to use and the male or female voice that you want. Then you can preview and choose the voice that you like most. Murf offers a wide range of voices to choose from. Once you've entered your text and selected your voice, you can preview the audio by clicking on the play button. If you want to adjust your voice speed or pitch, you can do this too. Then if you're happy with the sound, you can then proceed to download the audio file by clicking on the Export button. Then select the file format and all the other options. Here you go. Now that you have your video script and audio file, it's time to create your video. You can use a text-to-video or audio-to-video website such as Pictory to create your video. Go to the Pictory website and create an account. Once you've logged in, it will take you to the dashboard where you see 4 options. We will use the first option, that Air Script to Video. After this, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your text. Then paste your script and click on the Process button. Then choose Caption to Gene template that you like most. Pictory offers a wide range of templates to choose from. Once you select the template, it will take a few moments to process and collect a stock video clip related to your script. Now view and edit video storyboard. You can change visuals if you don't like it. There are so many elements to use. You can also add music. Add some text to make good. There are also styles, branding, format option. If you want, you can use them. Once you have your video, it's time to incorporate the audio. Upload your audio file to Pictory and adjust the video to match the audio. If you don't like the clips, you can modify them as well. After making all the necessary adjustments, download your video and upload it to your preferred platform, such as YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. In conclusion, creating a video with AI tools is a simple and quick process that can be completed within a few minutes. All you need is a video script, a text-to-speech website, and a text-to-video or audio-to-video website. Follow the steps outlined in this video, and you'll have a fantastic video in no time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.